Back squat to box mid-range. The back squat to box mid-range is an exercise that we can use to build explosive hip and knee extension while also producing transferable strength and confidence into the full range of motion back squat. This partial range squat allows us to load the bar a little bit heavier than the full range of motion, which helps to build confidence under a heavy weight. So while this isn't a replacement for full range squatting, it has very strong transfer to the full back squat through improving strength, power, and confidence. To perform this mid-range squat, you're going to need a box or a bench to sit on. The height of this elevation depends on the individual, but the goal is to squat down to a level where your thighs are just above parallel. Here, I'm using a 20-inch box. Unrack the bar and position your feet slightly forward of the box in your preferred squat stance. Your feet can point straight ahead or turn out slightly, around 5 to 10 degrees. From here, we focus on upper back tension. Think about pulling down on the bar, almost like you're trying to bend it across your shoulders. This keeps the upper back tight and the torso stable. Before you move, take a deep breath into your belly and expand your midline. As you sit down, keep the breath held. We're controlling the descent and staying connected to the bar. As you sit back onto the box, don't rock your weight back or collapse onto the box. Maintain a slightly forward torso angle as you sit down on the box. Rather than just tapping the box, I recommend sitting and pausing for 1 to 2 seconds. You should still feel tension through the legs and hips here. You're not fully relaxing on the box. This removes momentum, forces the muscles to stay engaged, and makes the lift more effective. From the box, we drive up with strong hip and knee extension. Think about pushing the floor away. Stand up powerfully. Fully extend the knees and hips at the top. This explosive intent is where we build a lot of strength and carry over to the full squat. Performing 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps is a good starting place for most people, but we can also do lower reps and heavier loads here. Box squats are often a good accessory exercise to full range of motion squats. They're not a substitute. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.